Okay, so we have made one file yesterday, that was table, I guess. The last example was table one. This file was something like this. Okay. In that we have discussed on cell padding, what it will do, border and then align. Here is the notes. This is like table have a structure where first tag will be table. Table will start. Inside the table, two element will come, two tag will come. In that, first is the caption, second is the TR. Caption and TR. Then caption will end there itself. TR will continue. TR will continue. TR will have next call TH and TD. TH called a table heading. TD is called table data. Data we can display through the TD and their headline we can display through the TH. Okay. In that we have written a list of property. Align is left, right, center. Vertical align we have not seen still. We aligned border we wrote one place. Cell padding also we wrote. It's like it apply a space inside the TH and TD. So in this table one example we have written cell padding 50. When we look into the browser, then we got to know yes, the Apple green imported is living from top, left, right, and bottom equal space. That is how much? 50 pixel. Left, right, top, bottom. Here also order quantity is living top, left, right, bottom as a 50 pixel. So it apply the space where inside the table. Now we have one more property, not one property, many more property we have. We are going to see that one by one and then implement one by one. So go to this file and let's add some more property here. Add some more property that is called cell spacing. Cell spacing. What it will do, it apply a space out of TH and TD. It apply the space out of TH and TD. It apply the space out of TH and TD. Okay, next after that, create one more example that is called table2.html. Okay, so create the next file, give the file name table2.html in same HTML folder wherever you are creating the examples. You can create a file, give the file name called table2.html. Okay, under the table2.html file, We can start from HTML. We will follow the body section. We will create a table again. This table will have lot of users. Previous table you have display one item details. In this we are going to display either multiple item details or multiple user details. Align in the center. Padding and 10. Apply border also, so it will be clear. Keep cell spacing also. Okay, our cell spacing will add after writing some TR inside. Caption H1. H1 item list. Inside the H1 we have written item list, so that item list font size will come bigger one. So that item list font size will come big one. After writing this caption end here, open a TR, follow the TH, open the TR, follow the TH. Now inside that you will follow serial number, next TH, item name, next TH, item price, next TH, item quantity, next TH, item details. Okay, hope ready. Check this file, how that look. Multiple headings should appear. Multiple heading will appear. So all the headings be given one place. Below we are going to add the data for all the TR. We are going to add the data for all the TR. Okay, hope ready. Follow the TD. Serial number 01. Item name. Apple green. TD, price RS 300 kg, item quantity level maybe 2 kg, then item details, good apple, now we can save the file and we can check once one item details is coming on. Okay, let's check now. So hope your table look like this. Add one more TR. TD 02. Add one more TD. Mango. Hello. And then their price. Their price. Rupees 100 per kg. Quantity 1 kg only. Then TD. Best of market. Add something. So how it look? It look like this. Yes, now you can let me know your table is organized properly or not. We can add some more property and we'll see. Write it slowly and then you can reply in the chat. It looks similar. Okay. Good. Working for you?
Yes, sir.
Now we have a property called cell spacing. We will add the cell spacing and we will understand where the cell spacing is going to apply and how that works. Cell padding you have seen here. Inside the table, the cells we have, some spaces are coming inside, spaces are coming inside. That is because of cell padding. Okay, cell spacing also is meaningful only. Let's see that. You can add BG color here. You want BG color, then you can write here for TD. BG color red. Want to add the text color, you have to open the font tag here. Then you can add the color equal to green or red, whichever you want. Inside the TD to change the text color. Inside the TD to change the text color, you have to use the font tag. Inside the TD to change the background color, you have to use the BG color. Shape mode should work. How to change the color? BG color and text color. BG background color using which property? BG color, and text color using which property? Using font and then color property. So working red color, background as a text, and background BG color and text color. Now next come up on table label. On table label, we can add a property called cell padding. Already there, cell spacing. Keep 20 and then identify where a space comes. Cell padding 20 you can give. Let us check where this space is coming. Space where it is coming. Cell spacing 20 we have given. You can find a space will come here. Between two cells, the space got apply. Between quantity and item details, space got apply. Between 1 kg and best of market, space got apply. Outside of this line, outside of the box, that is called cell spacing. And inside the cell, you have gap from all the side within the boundary. That is called cell padding. Cell padding apply a space inside. Cell padding apply a space inside, and cell spacing apply the space outside. We will make a note of that. Cell padding, already you have made a note, I guess. Okay, so hope this file is clear. We shall go to the next example. Working for you, Nasreen, or what is Nasreen? Okay. Hope busy color work, font color work, cell padding is working, cell spacing is working, and cell spacing. Where is the output? Output is here. Between two blocks, there is some gap that is coming from the cell. That is coming from the cell spacing. Between the cells, when the gap will get applied, that come from the cell spacing only. Okay, that comes from the cell spacing itself. Now we can go ahead and we can see the next example. For that, you need to write some again remaining property in the list. So next property you are going to write main property we have in the table, that is called call span. Call span. Call span. What is that? It used to combine. It used to combine the space of multiple columns. It used to combine the space of multiple th comma td. You can write in the somewhere college columns. th and td college columns. So it used to combine the space of multiple th and td. Used to combine the space of multiple th and td. That is called row and columns. Not row and columns. That is called columns. We have another property called row span. Row span. It used to combine space of the space of multiple tr. That's called the row. Table row. Table row. Row span, call span, if you understand, then it will be clear for you the table. Okay, ready? Now let's go ahead, create a next file. table3.html. Example table3.html. Example table3.html for the call span. Table 4 will be for the row span. Okay, hope next file is ready. That is called table3.html. Table3.html. Start from HTML. Follow the body. Create a table again. Write a caption. Inside you can use again h1 table call span. Table call span example. Now write a tr. In that tr, we will be adding similar options, but th, okay. Let's keep like this. SL number, serial number. Next full name. Full name. Next th, mobile number. Next th, age. Next email. Next is called education. Next is called passing year. Assume this is the details of a user. For table also you can add the remaining property. Example align should be in center. Left, right, you have option you can write. Cell padding I will follow here. Somewhere 15. Border equal to 1. Okay, now save it and check once. It will give a simple table just like previous page. Like previous page, we have a table here. Call span, how it's play the role, we are going to add here. ATR where a user has all the details. User has all the details. TD serial number 01. Next TD is full name. Next TD is mobile number. It has to follow the sequence. Okay. Next after that, age, years. Next is education. Turn master. Next TD passing year is 2000. Summer 14. So one user has all the details. Right, so hope look like this. Now suppose second user is in such a way, he has not mentioned the education, or maybe he has not mentioned the passing year, second user. So let's go for the second user. If the second user has not added his passing year, then how to display that? Whether shall we leave the empty column or we can use some other feature of table. So we can go here and add a second TR. In second TR, say like add a TD where 02 you can display. Next TD you can add here Ramesh. Next his number. Something. Next his age. Next his education from BCA background. After that, he has not mentioned the education. Run your page. What you will find? You will find one TD is incomplete. You will find one particular row is incomplete. Okay, so hope you have added. Look at here. It look like this. You can see education look like incomplete. It look like particular TD is missing. So one TD is missing. We have one option whether we can leave a empty TD here, or another option we have. We will ask this BCA to cover the space of second TD also. BCA is getting end here itself. If you use the call span property, the BCA will be responsible, BCA TD will be responsible to cover the space of second TD also. So how to do for that? For this TD you can write one TD is missing. So for that we can write here call span equal to 2. Then we'll ask why call span 2, only one is missing. Why call span 2 we have written here. Call span 2 we have written because one TD is missing, that is a true. And you are asking the current TD to take the place of second TD also. Okay, the current TD you are asking, take your space as well as take the space of next TD also. So one is the current TD and one is the missing TD. 1 plus 1 becomes a 2. Because of that, we have written one column for the current TD and one column is for the missing TD. We wrote is a call span 2. So your particular TD will take the place of current TD and it will take the place of second TD also. So what you will find is, you will find the spaces of both the columns is combined here. That is called call span. Using call span, we can combine the space of two or more columns together. TH and TD space we can combine. Check once and please let me know, is it happening something? Two column got a space combined. This one space is not coming. Border spelling what you are written. Table spelling, table border spelling. File extension is HTML. Okay, here is the problem. Plus and plus is there. Here, yeah, click on that. Consider save the file. Save, not save. Save. This is money two columns. But okay, second row you have not written, right? Yes. Write the second row also. Okay, so hope it's work for everyone. Okay, so we'll add some more TR to get some more idea. Let's go here, add one more TR. In that, TD 03, add one more TD, call some name, next TD, some number, okay. Next, after that, this user has not filled his, this user has not filled his education. Directly he has given the passing year 2020. He has given directly passing year. He has not filled the education. So what will happen is you will find again table will look incomplete at the second year, then come to third year. In that case, again the table will look incomplete. Okay, so if I run the page, we can find here how many we have, age we have. Okay, age you can add here, number, and after that age, add the age also, 25 years, 25 years, and after that directly passing years. Education is not available, so it will look again incomplete. Education passing year will come in front of education. So in that case, the age will be responsible to take the place of education. The age will be responsible to take the place of education. So what we can do, under the age column, we can write here call span equal to 2. Call span equal to 2. Call span equal to 2. Okay. Now age will take the space of 2 column. Automatically passing year will come in the last. Automatically passing year will come in the last. Automatically passing year will come in the last. Here, hope look like this. The age is covering the space of age as well as education. Now in that passing year, automatically it will go to the last. The first occurrence, like suppose 25 years age is there, so the age can take the place of education. Passing year will not take here. The first occurrence will take the place of second occurrence. Second occurrence cannot take the place of first occurrence. Okay, so that we need to remember. Here BCA was missing, passing year was missing, so education has taken the space of second occurrence, second column. Right here now education is missing, so age is taking the place of education. Why? Because Before education, age column is available. So it is the responsibility of first column to take the place of second column or to take the space of second column. Right. In this, your year of passing will not take the place of education because year of passing becomes a last element. Before last element, you have called this one. Okay. Before last element, you have this. The column is missing, that is called age. The fourth user is in such a way, the fourth user will be in such a way, he has not given the age, he has not given the passing year, he has not given the education. Given the name, serial number, name and phone number. Only three things he has given. So what will be the structure for that? Let's write the next year. Next year shows like this, TD 04. Next TD, name of the user. The third TD, some number you add here. After that, remaining all details are missing. Remaining all details are missing. So how many columns are missing? One is the age, second one is education, and third one is passing year. Three columns are missing here. So since three columns are missing, so what we can do? For mobile number, what should be the call span now? Since three columns are missing, let me show you in the browser. Here, three columns are missing. Age, education, passing year. So for mobile number, what should be the call span?
4.
4, sir.
Confirm 4 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, cool. So let's see. See here. Number one, you need to think how many are missing. So three TD are missing. One is called age, second is called education, and third one is called passing year. Three are missing. So three are missing and one is the mobile number. Mobile number is responsible to cover the space of remaining three. So since three are missing and one is itself mobile number. So three is missing and plus one, how much? 4. So here you have to write call span equal to 4. Then only it will take the complete space, complete full width. Then only it will take the complete full width. Check now. See, covering. 3 was missing, plus 1 was the current one, total 4. Okay. OP added, call span how many? 4. OP is working for all. Let's go ahead. Next one. Next year. Go for the next year. Next year is year next TR is in such a way where next user is in such a way where next user is missing his mobile number and his age. He has filled the education and he has filled the passing year. What is that? Next user is missing. What are the columns? Mobile number and age. Okay. Mobile number and age is missing by the fifth user. So what will be the table structure? Let's write here. TD 05. Next TD this one. Next TD, what is missing? Is missing mobile number, is missing the age. So after mobile number and age, what will come? Education will come. Next, after that, will come as a passing year. Okay. So in this case, for mobile, for where to write the call span, because it will become as a mix up. First to write it. Let's write it, then we'll see where the problem is coming and what problem is coming.
We did. We did.
Okay, so hope you got some idea. Call and 3, where we need to write? For the name or mobile for BTech, where?
Full name, sir.
Yes, call as span equal to 3 you have to write because 2 column is missing and the name column is responsible to take the place of next also. So we have to write only call. Check now, hope it should work. Correct. Now you add a sixth user with all the details. Add the sixth user with all the details. Something wrong here. PD call is three. Okay, you are there. That one TR, there the user have all the details. Okay, hope you added a user with all the details.
Yes, sir.
Let's add here one serial number 06. Next is that TD. What is the first column? First is the name, mobile, age. Name Mahesh. Phone number. Phone number. Age. Age. Education passing year. Age 25 years. Education this year. Passing year. Passing year is 2016, 17, 18 you can add. So this got your customer with all the details.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay.
Yeah. What if serial number and mobile number are missing?
What is serial number and mobile number is missing?
Yes.
Serial number is called serial number 0123. Mobile number is missing means it's not available.
In some cases, suppose instead of serial number, some roll number kind of thing is there, and roll number and mobile number are missing. Means a left TD and right TD are missing.
Serial number will never miss. That is a guarantee. Wherever you will display. Without serial number, user will not come. Number 2, if name is missing, then at the place of name you can keep like this. Anything is missing, no problem, you can keep like this. Go here. This suppose 2 are missing. Okay. So what we will do for this? For mobile number, you write here. Call span how many? 3. So now mobile number will become the first column. It will take the space of 3, and then this 3 will come. See here like this. So that mobile is covering the space of how many columns? 3 columns. Serial number also, name also, and mobile also. Because before that there is no other columns. So you can ask the mobile to cover all. But in case if mobile is exist, mobile is assume like mobile is not exist. Okay. Serial number is exist, mobile is not exist. Year will not take the place of mobile. Okay, suppose serial number is exist, mobile name is exist, mobile is not exist, then this one, the age will not take the place of mobile. Age will be responsible to take the place of next one, not the previous one. Or let's try also. Maybe it will work. What is that? Suppose, let me add one more TR. Here serial number exists. Okay, serial number exists. Maybe how many? 7. 7. 6 was 7. This should be 8. 8 is exist. After that, what is not exist? Name is there. Name is also there. Okay. Then this which one? Year. Let me write here. Call span is taking the place for previous column or not? Call span 2. Okay. So this what will happen now? Age will start from beginning. Age will start from beginning. It will start like this. This age is coming where? Now under the mobile. Okay, so we have next option. This align we can put right. Align we can put right. Then age will come where? Right side. And it will say mobile is missing. Align you can keep here for right. Right. Then it will be okay, it will manage it. Yeah, it's coming here, and then it's feel like this part is missing. So it's take the place of previous also. So this way you can manage. In case if this one is missing, you can add here, but column count should not mismatch. That we have to remember. How many column we have used, how many columns are pending. For that calculation, we need to do and then.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you can add it and check once. Okay, so this is based on what? Call span. We can create one more file. There we can use the row span. In row span, what will be the condition? Maybe you can see here, 3 users are same passing year. These 3 are same passing year. So 18, 18, 18 we display 3 times. Instead of displaying 3 times, we can display only 1 time. 2018 we display 3 times. Here also BCA we display 3 times. So this becomes a duplicate data. So the next rule we have called row span. Row span says like you can also manage in case multiple rows data are same, you can combine that space also. So instead of displaying here 3 times 2018, we can display 1 time and it will represent for all 3. Here 3 user is BCA, BCA, BCA. Instead of displaying 3 times, we can display 1 time, and after that we can merge all 3 spaces and it will represent for both. We will create next file. Till here you can copy same till here. And paste in the next file, save the file as a table4.html. Hope ready? Copy this much, paste in the next file, give the table name, page name table4 till here. You can copy, paste in the next file, give that file name called table 4. Close the table, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag also. Save this as a table4.html. Table4.html. Okay, hope ready to clear. Table, what is the file name? Table 4. Looks similar. Inside this, user first and user second both have done MCA. User first and user second both are from MCA background. So what to do for that? Add one more TR first. Write here a TD 02 ATD Ajit. Next TD is phone number. Next TD is also some different years, 34 years, and he has done MCA. And he is of some different year passing. (2016) pass out. User number 1 and user number 2. Now we need to combine both in such a way where MCA should be one place and it should represent to both the users. MCA should be one place and it should represent to both the users. Right? Hope we have written. You can run the page and check once. User 1 and user 2 both will be there. Both are from MCA. So in that, data duplicate happen and one record you displayed how many times? 2 times. So first you delete the second MCA because both are displaying 2 times. First delete the second MCA, and in the previous MCA, first MCA, write here row span equal to 2. That we are asking the TD to take the place in the current row and take the place in the second row also. Take the place in the first row and take the place in the second row. Hope we combine both. After that, we can see two column rows are getting combined or not. You can see here MCA, now it's displayed one place and it represents for both the users. Here. That is called row span. We will be creating some more examples tomorrow. Okay. So check it. If it is working, then so tomorrow again. Working. Previous table. This one. This one was working for you, no? Last section. Last year. Okay then. Thank you. You can log out. See you tomorrow.
Sir, row span or column